dough.
I can't believe I did a fucking backflip in this thing. You guys were just fucking pulling up and I fucking just fucking backflip.
Okay, the next one is the heist, which is amazing. Well, it's not really a heist, it's more of...
Final first act.
It's more of a shit show. I'll brand a shit like that, it's more of a shit show. Actually, forget
What the fuck was that, kiddo?
Nubbly decided that putting her mic under a running tap was the best idea.
Yeah.
A running tap sounded like a fucking... She shoved it in the motor of a truck.